morning, children. How are you? Fine? Very good. All of you open your English workbook volume 2. Open your English workbook volume 2, page number 10. Page number 10. Complete the blanks using demonstrative adjectives this, that, these, those. Amma, already you learned in your previous in the UKG class where we have to use this, where we have to use that, when we have to use these, and when we have to use those. You learn now? If it is a singular, if the object is a singular, if object is a singular and single county, only one, the object is only one, we have to use either this or that. If it is singular, the object is singular, we have to use either this or that. Okay? If the object is a plural, if the objects are plural means more than one. If there are more than one, then we have to use either these or those. Either these or those. Okay? A singular. When it is a singular, we have to use either this or that. If it is a plural, we have to use these or those. For plurals, we have to use these or those. And when we have to use this, if the thing is near to us, here book is there, it is near to me. The book is near to me. This is my book. I will say this. Why? It is very near to me. If they are near to us, we have to use this. If the object is far away from us, fan is there, it is far away from us, from me. నాకు చాలా దూరంలో ఉంది. అప్పుడు నేను ఏమంటాను దాన్ని? That is a fan. Okay? For the near things, we have to use this. For the far things, we have to use that. Same like that. If the things are nearer to us, okay, these books are very nearer to us, to me. These books are very near to me. Then I will say, these are books. The benches are far away to me. So I will say, those are benches. Okay? Now, complete the blanks. Dash T-shirt in the cupboard belonged to my father. The T-shirt is near to me. And also one single one. So we have to use this. Write down. T-H-I-S. This. Next, see that house. It is looking far away. In the second picture. Dash house on the Brigade Road belonged to Mr. Ahmad. It is looking far. So we have to use that. These are the demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those are the demonstrative pronouns. Next. Where can you buy dash books? The books are near to us. And there are more. So we have to use these. Where can you buy these books? Next. Dash purse belongs to my sister. Here is the purse. Here, the purse is near. So we have to use this. This purse belongs to my sister. Next. The bat is looking far away now.
Yes.
So we have to use that. Hey, that bat of mine is new. That. dash musical instruments are very expensive. The musical instruments are near to us and it is more. So we have to use these. These musical instruments are very expensive. Are you looking for dash flowers? Flowers. Flowers are looking very far away. So we have to use those. Plural. That is plural. Dash boy who is walking down the street is my neighbor. This. Come to your notes. Next. Complete soon. I'm rubbing. Next bit. Take next page. Fill in the blanks with the correct interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives means questionnaires. The questionnaires means if we are asking the question, if you want to ask the question, you want to know where your mother is going. What question do you ask her? Your mother is going outside. Your mother is going outside. You want to ask where she is going. Then what do you ask your mother? మీ మమ్మీ బయటకు వెళ్తుందిరా, నువ్వు తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నావు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది అని తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నావు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తావు నువ్వు? యు విల్ ఆస్క్ వేర్ ఆర్ యు గోయింగ్. వేర్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చనర్, ఇస్ ద ఇంటరాగేటివ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్. వేర్ ఇస్ ద ఇంటరాగేటివ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్. అండ్ యు వాంట్ టు నో when she will come back. You will ask when will you come back mom. అడుగుతావా ఎప్పుడు వస్తావు మళ్ళీ తిరిగి. when is also one type of questionnaire. where, when. You want to know your friend's name. A new friend, a new classmate enter into your classroom. You want to know his name. So what do you ask her? A new friend came now. You will ask her, what is your name? You will ask her, what is your name? What is one type of questionnaire. It's the interrogative adjective. And somebody is knocking at the door. Somebody is knocking at the door. What do you ask her? Who are you? Somebody is knocking at the door now. At that time you will ask her, who are you? Who is one type of questionnaire. You went to your grandmother's house. You want to know how is your grandmother. నువ్వు గ్రాండ్ మదర్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళావు. గ్రాండ్ మదర్ ఏం అడుగుతావు? ఎలా ఉన్నావు గ్రాండ్ మా అని అడుగుతావు. ఏం అడగాలి ఇంగ్లీష్లో? హౌ ఆర్ యూ గ్రాండ్ మా. హౌ ఆర్ యూ గ్రాండ్ మా. హౌ is the questionnaire. Okay. When, where, what and why you came late to school. What your madam asked you? You came late to school. నువ్వు లేట్గా వచ్చావు స్కూల్కి. అప్పుడు మేడం ఏమడుగుతుందిరా? వై ఆర్ యూ లేట్. మేడం will ask you, why are you late. Why is a questionnaire. These are the questionnaires and also they are called as interrogative adjectives. They are called as interrogative adjective. And you want to know, you are walking, you found one book. You found one book which is not yours. You found one book that is not yours. అది నీది కాదు, ఆ బుక్ నీకు దొరికింది. What do you ask in the classroom? You want to hand over that book to others. ఆ బుక్ దొరికింది, అది నీది కాదురా, అది ఎవరికో వాళ్ళకి హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు. అప్పుడు ఏమడుగుతావు క్లాస్రూమ్లో? Whose book is this? You will ask her, whose book is this? Whose is one type of questionnaire. Whose also interrogative adjective. Whose is the interrogative adjective and also questionnaire. And you want to know your friend's favorite food, or your friend's favorite fruit, your friend's favorite color. మీ ఫ్రెండ్ ఫేవరెట్ కలర్ ఏంటో తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నావు. అప్పుడు ఏమంటావు? విచ్ కలర్ డూ యూ లైక్, విచ్ ఫ్రూట్ డూ యూ లైక్, విచ్ ఫుడ్ డూ యూ లైక్. యూ మే ఆస్క్ దట్. వీ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రూట్స్, వీ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ ఆప్షన్స్, బట్ విచ్ ఈస్ యువర్ చాయిస్? ఏది నీకు బాగా ఇష్టం అడుగుతావా? యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ చాయిస్ టు హిమ్. దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ which is your favorite food, which is your favorite fruit, which is your favorite vegetable, which is your favorite dress, which is your favorite subject. Like that we can use which also. These are all the interrogative questionnaires, interrogative adjectives, because we are using in the interview. Interview means we are asking questions la. ఇంటర్వ్యూ అంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ని గెట్ చేయాలి అంటే మనం కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వేయాలి. దీస్ ఆర్ ద క్వశ్చనర్స్. క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తే కదా ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేది, అవునా? దట్స్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఇంటరాగేటివ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఇంటరాగేటివ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్. వెన్ వీ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్, when we want to ask the question, we use these questionnaires. These are called questionnaires, interrogative adjectives. They have so many names. Understand? Where, when, what, who, how, why, whose, which, when is given. These are all called interrogative adjectives or questionnaires. Now, first one. Dash idea was this. The idea everdi. Whose? Amma, we had to use only what, which, whose. These interrogative adjectives only we have to use in the blanks. Dash idea was this. What idea was this? Which idea was this? Whose idea was this? We are asking the person. We want to know the person whose idea was this. So we have to write down whose idea was this. Whose idea? Dash where did the bus go? We want to know the way. Which way? Which way? Which way did the bus go? Next, dash color is your frock. Your frock color. What color? What color is your frock? What color of your frock? Next, dash fruit do you like? Dash fruit do you like? Which fruit? Write down. Which fruit do you like? Dash day is today. What day is today? What day is today? Today is a Friday. What day is today? Next, do you know dash bike that is? Do you know whose bike? Whose bike is this? Whose bike? Dash program are you watching on TV now? Which program? Which program are you watching now on the TV? Dash kind of plant is this? What kind of plant? What kind of plant is this? Which idea was this? Sorry, whose idea was this? Which way did the bus go? What color is your frog? Which fruit do you like? What day is today? Do you know whose bike that is? Which program are you watching on TV now? What kind of plant is this? Come to your notes. Next, Amma, workbook is completed. Alif, open your activity book. Activity book, value to English. Next, Amma, all of you open your activity book, page number 4. Join the dots and color the picture. Amma, here dots are given. The dots were numbered. The dots were numbered. You must match the numbers. Okay, match the numbers, then color the given picture. It is a fun time to you. Okay, come to this. Next, cutie cow is chasing bunny all over the meadows. Draw a path through the adjectives to help her reach him. Where is the cutie cow now? Here, the cutie cow is here. The cutie cow is here. The bunny rabbit is in the middle. The bunny rabbit is in the middle. The cutie cow wants to chase. The cutie cow is chasing the bunny rabbit. See Nana. Here, the cutie cow is here. The bunny rabbit is in the middle. You have to keep the arrow marks. You have to give the way by drawing the line to the cutie cow. Understand me? You have to give the way to the cutie cow by drawing a line. Line draw చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. ఎక్కడ వరకు? To the bunny rabbit. And we have to follow only the adjectives. Adjectives ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నాయో అక్కడిని చూసుకుంటూ మాత్రమే అక్కడ వరకు వెళ్ళాలి. ఇక్కడ సిననా handsome to clumsy. Handsome is the adjective, clumsy is the adjective. Arrow mark is given. Then you have to go make a line. Draw a line from clumsy to cutie. Cute. From clumsy to cute. Because cute is adjective. Only we have to touch the adjectives only. అమ్మ అక్కడ వర్బ్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడా? వర్బ్స్ని టచ్ చేయొద్దు. Only we have to touch the adjectives. Cute is the adjective. Clumsy to cute. Again cute to jovial. Cute to jovial. Draw a line to jovial. Next, jovial to grumpy. Grumpy is adjective. Then grumpy to wise. Grumpy to wise. Wise is adjective. Then wise to wild. W-I-L-D. Wild is there now. Wise to wild. Amma, wise to wild. Then wise to wild. Why? Because wild is adjective. Then wild to brave. Here run is there, but don't touch run because run is the verb. So wild to brave. Wild to brave. Wild to brave. Brave to cruel. Brave to cruel. Reached the bunny rabbit? Reached no? One second I am telling you na. Here clumsy to cute. Cute to jovial. Jovial to grumpy. Grumpy to wise. Wise to wild. Wild to brave. Brave to cruel. Reached the bunny rabbit. Okay? Take next space. Here circle the adjectives in the sentences given below. Choose the synonym of the circle. Circle adjective form word the word bank and write it in the given space. One is done for you. Okay? The house is dirty. Dirty is the adjective. Dirty is circled. Write the opposite of dirty. Sorry, synonym only, no? Synonym. The synonym of dirty is filthy. Already it is given for you. First one is done for you. Then we have to come to the second one. This book is fantastic. What is adjective there? Fantastic. We have to circle the fantastic. Then the same word of fantastic. And the synonym of fantastic we have to write here. What is the synonym? Pretty, expensive, fragrant, fast, excellent, delicious, cheerful. We have to write. That is your homework. You have to write the synonym of fantastic. Next, second one. My sister is beautiful. What is adjective there? Beautiful. The beautiful, the same meaning of beautiful. Here adjectives are given. ఇక్కడ adjectives ఇచ్చాడు కదరా, అందులో నుండి బ్యూటిఫుల్ కి సూటబుల్ అయ్యేది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. సినానిమ్. నెక్స్ట్, దిస్ డ్రెస్ ఈస్ కాస్ట్లీ. Costly is the adjective. Costly means one more synonym is there. Select it and write down. The food is tasty. Tasty. Tasty is the adjective. Synonym of tasty is there. Synonym of tasty ikkada undi ikkada. Okay? Right ikkada. The car is quick. Quick is adjective. Suitable quick. Quick suitable synonym ikkada undi. Chuskoni raskondi. The child is happy. Happy is adjective. One more synonym of happy is there. Is given. Select and write down. These flowers of aromatic. Aromatic. Same word of adjective is there. Select and write down. Okay? Next. Take next page. Here Nana, decode the jumbled adjectives and fill in the blanks appropriately. Here, the words, the adjectives are jumbled. The adjectives are jumbled. I will give the correct word. Here, this is intelligent. Write down. First one is intelligent. Right here only. Amma here write. Beside the jumbled word right. Ikkada jumbled word ichchadu kada, that pakkana raskondi. Next one is big. Next one is hungry. Then fourth one is brave. Fifth one is clever. Sixth one is adventurous. Adventurous. Next, happy. The last one is sincere. Sincere. Last one is sincere. First word is intelligent. Second one is big. Third one is hungry. Fourth one is brave. Fifth one is clever. Sixth one is adventurous. Seventh one is happy. Eighth one sincere. What you have to do? By reading the sentence, you have to fill up the blanks. That's your work. Okay? Next. Do you know? Amma, come it soon.
రాగండి.
Amma, complete your activity book. Today's class is completed. Bye.